dip YMC ago ni chim amera non komi ayenyu ge kwa wan anyang ne ulu no ero mero ne ani gulu sire ne meku
mano garango
warga mo leaking in social media irwat go be manyor yen kai nyang won nyang gine ne wen any is a plan move warga nyum ko okay warga eno ni ukata manyor ni secretary general painaren right honorable Richard Todwong uchoy warga bod jubane Loko ngom jona Loko ngom ni Loko Kaunda ground dan kay woni Caribbean Caribbean ground
romo to tingo nying men noya lo me pekne lok ni
ti mager ke ero do awajo
ke je lo noya be chake be dang ke lo nying mo ke lo noya be dang
ngeo Loko lebe ngom ma ground ma wayang ngeo ni tie gulu sit eto ngat mo choy warga ni ene mere oning ground one pe chomi kum Loko one
chomi kum pe pa
yes chi okay ke chomi kum Loko one in ma chalo YMC that's why we are yening awachi mi ara noi
no yenya ne pian an la noya
o mi ara penyi iwajo ni ngoy kum Loko onye kum warga one kong dong wakil noya side in ma chalo in a citizen of Uganda dar abe ke gulus ki noya part men noya ba
warga ne leaking ni ngo don confirm ni warga pa to do
piana neno office pa glun ngo jomelan land board good receiving ngo
gen manyor ne good receiving erin pengi
signatory ki choy ni receive
pengi ni AI to aro yubu jame goni
no signatory on ki choy ni receive now signatory pa AI neno ngene ero eni kom kalam eni man mi abiche ni me wele tap lo
ma take software ni good kind me detecting because ana ngene kui mo leaking ki telling center ki ti ki software me ki ti ki AI detector
ginone AI lo kada
uno no software ni kwe piene jo muti ke be pege beri Uganda kai
AI rom terwa stamp
ngoma ge AI terwa stamp
I don't think
all right well let's so no let me get straight to that thing inano tagenano ge moy kan teme ko ani ana ke limon social media don tene ni ampa bi ni Todwong wiye to arbero la pain to the level me planning me chato Caribbean it's a national ground
a celebration ground
kanmano dano gathering here for most activities Caribbean hosting jomadon wile bokanma ko yonye kumi dano chala Kenneth Kaunda gi Mozambique Zambia that is in early 80s garmo boreti lodge I think in 1984 and 83 84 then ngamo bin in early 90s obero
John Paul the second
I think it was in 1992 1993 kape wiya will an gara pabir tie yupe ato anena ko adlum no to kenyo ki
history
okay actually adlum no ge yubu chakata ko so ground ne pe ground pa ngaram matoko kede ko di bumi magi no ngom no ya chego ni ka ke kilwe guluga ni joma owning duong mapalar woma joma owning duong wa forget war chiego winyi Kaunda ground ge chupi yana ene kan mano ge mar wore to twal ka yubi
ko be ngeo ge ma twal
ka wonu ka warga tie mo leaking warga ni ana ne warga ni ana bi mo ni ngi eto ingiu jema gane ke nena pelo ge bere biere mo gono ki buga yiba gatar ki lwen me politics matene
that's why we ana yenyu yen
angiu so me karna yo mayot angi mere widan bo cha wachi ni speed mato duong tiga lubuk tiga miyo kere chwa bot gunya tien loko mono tie gi mo twala dingi roma ki speed ma Museveni tiga miyo kere mo pa ko kar MP go merong mogono tiga processing area mo kene so speed ma tiga miyo kere mo ki speed ma tiga miyo kere gunya ini kumi cha ko tamane wi ambe jamen gara kata mo ge wi wa ya ka ko cho war ga do la ko ni miyo ber MP Chipingo. Penyo waj me umera wan we anwe. Gini bet ka kany. Pengo giti ka chwako gunya to twal. So angi ni tamen to aberi bidan wa ni chwako gunya ni nong ne jag be char lu gi yeme gulu ka ini ara ngi gunya be pedan mami. Gunya be jag be pedan mami. Pengi ni ke speed magede America de choni. Roma mo go speed magede America de maun. Ento pa bi ni Todwong to aro tingu tiane. Anyo to aro kwanya cha me choy ko de cho in. Actually to come out here de witnessing mo bien ka defending ka anyo ka lo ka warga ni because angi ni mag be kwanya cha ni mero ko ga lo ka warga matingo. Mati aligned to nye.
Yes. Ono ni furote ko respond mo mege. Barengeo la nyuro mo twal la tiana gang kwan. La tian kwan en ko result. Nyuro releasing warga yoni en ko log mo bi biru chen do bi biru covering. La nyuro kala tian kwan utingo pen mara biru chao fonye ne mo ken goya. En tiga koro backfire ma tiga duguchi en kon biru ka responding. But now ma funno wa correspond no mer ko waniang ngo we ko la dirtu ukati kong no wakit en yo cho ngo we la dirtu cho gena wana because nan malir ka underground manu down lo ni Caribbean ground but ke la ko don ko ni ka underground madano nge wa cho
was named after
Kenneth Kaunda
the late Kenneth Kaunda.
Yes.
Put the chocolate in Bebo for put around 6 years and even actually not even 5 years
ground only ti wa cho wakit no let me put it in this way ka underground ki ba peje wo memorial ground an kamera pengi nga kong lo in fact nga lo ka underground pa nga
underground it's a government thing mangi ni council city council gidoro bangi ka gilo de nying city council gwagno 40 district nying me district barangin no ngila ko nying me district do and these guys have ever had issues for local district headquarter anyo headquarter mo ben mal jadi ana biagani kiribedi no pe ngom ni ngompa
pangao nyo nga gi lo ngom
city council anyo city council e pe lo wigi abiagani ngom ni wakarni ngompa gamente
rode pe
no pe ni rode pe personally ngarmo mani uteni ma ngom mega bere pe
so dong kerdo ngano karo cho ngom oni ki cho ni is a customary land but he want to own that land
was it he or he wants that land to be owned by individual
nga
of course no ngarmo to almo no te background
ngani
Peter mentioning he why did
no because dong lo karne ge mer la ko ne okay customary land o bin individual ngani manyote cho e mege cho ni there's an image behind that warga mangata be tie
let me tell you guys
agidong gutimo genen mengo now gi mere gi lok gini chala individual pengo
what you an kak di monti maraj ki bora kak monti maraj pedi ngar mana defining kak maraj an pa be ko joman magdang po yel to dong wa ma to dong ma da pa be wa to dong no ana pe kinen an get magma what is street prove my can pay manyor ni to dong is involved in this thing because and for boka wakati ti wajo you cannot put allegation over someone penini cho nyingi signi to any for you
but do you know allegation is there in this world
of course
so poram rinyo ki ko mal I local allegation in anyway no in tamen eno cho gini pe plan ma mege ti kuane
no in the car you don't eno cho gini do you have the proof for na
it's allegation why am proving cho that's why we are going to wait because now we are discussing the thing ni allegation
but how will you prove ni ene cho pere en ba you indi to loko ma dir mara ba ngar mo ba ni ene cho pe gina ni tek pe ngar mo ma to yi ni ene cho pe gina
warga no kadla wo you get it
ne bitiu lok dan ma gulu
no warga no kadla wo
no warga po kadla wo
ana na la wo
ini cho me ko warga la wo
that's why we yenyo
but that what
yang na ngeni ine ano before
o bere kama lingering for a quite good period of time no kombiri ado mogono ke war mer wago just to like kind of no ko no ne ja ko meno o chama no mer kinyon wi to duong wak pe When I talk to Todwong, I have nothing with him. I'm not a psychophant to someone, to anyone.
It's okay. Now la pensieni.
The fact still remains.
What is the motive?
When you don't have the proof, proof these allegations, it's actually hard to talk about it. But you can only, it was log marini, log and ukati waha. Kadon kiradong log and ukati waha in me. Utwar log airport log madung because when ngad manye, kita wa nye ukati yeni, for poor log make and the peg in the lock bore. But kiradong the log maditi, when you car, machalun jomo penyo mo, chalun upok log near, and you the media guys, when you car, go chimbo to do when we want to meet you. These are the things that we are going to discuss. Chingera change are very pain. With time it keep graduating to the level of Joe Market about Jome district. I think with the land board. I don't know whether in the ministry.
What is the motive behind that warga? You know, Paramagam. Now, ka warga no leaking wachan. Eh? Ka leaking wachan. Kan ni dong warga no leaking wachan. Chipping or and pobion ka responding to warga. Manyuta nyurni.
He might have not gotten that kind of warga.
You tell me warga no po chien. You tell warga no leaking ikwana.
If you're to do charm, TikTok.
No, this is not a TikTok thing. Gemini bino WhatsApp game mugu ngamo maka chele cho bolo sharing.
Don't come in.
Manjur wa no.
Gadget mo tiemo kar ke warga no leaking.
Gadget football car. But locally, yeah, do car locally within Guluka any. Warga game. Madwe no tiwa WhatsApp but you can
circulating. Kira no take circulating on social media, anyo on media platforms. Angini kumbe ngarmo go na team. Either ro ne gane mo anyo jomo kuma they are always around him. No go na team wa ni la dit. Ganunyo katika wachina ikumi. Itwaro gama logma ye because kumedong logma ti warrior chuli long wanyan. Anangi ni tuko ke ngom magadi tuko ke no e cha. Ma ki tuko ke ngom pa dan no ene. Ba be ke to kilo gulu kan jo maloy duongo meta.
No,
mage cha kata. Bidu gutwa loko mo
mano ani loko benwa. Mano kwa igulu city. This is a city. And then a national celebration.
Kay why ni yenyo one no e do pero wi wo gulu.
Yani kenaro mode. Kenaro 85 okay 95% gulu city kan duma ake no aka more. Yes. Comme we gulu ni dak pebe ko e gulu city. Ene na re. Gitite. Logada gido now.
Wa wi ro ngom ge ko ko.
Now. Kadong wakiti any warga na mukara it's allegation ni to do cho warga because kere wa kere football biono ka responding because ngiyo ka unity commander e chwalo lutero tikatich yes ka balo teme kuja no kere la mon chwalo mon kalwen to teme kuja ena we biono team addressing jana peke penyo junior staff
yeah
you get it now kubirini giti ka ko respond pato dung we manyore widano ka ini ngewan lukien gang ginge nurung loka da pebe guni this weekend look in storming media houses but not so be
inde nano hard copy pakata joni mage choy ke blue pen mage ngata endorsing signatory mage ke blue pen inde nano warga
and food panel barge forwarding no ge forwarding WhatsApp and I'm good back then online at my TikTok
no the news of course the news is there and banangi and the news is there but those kind of
with the
it's
thing
still just an allegation it's just an allegation there's no proper proof about this thing that's the reason why ni won me to chat about Todwong go chimbo Todwong pe ruat palu ma pengola name go chimbo Todwong wa bon Todwong wa mirni warwata kiri wa eda wa ngol peny ma chat tunga ndi ye anyo ini ngol peny bien there are a lot of radio stations mate guluka ini ma
it's okay
I need to go and address this issue
it's okay
it's more hindering guys in northern Uganda
it's okay
ni ana endorsing signatory ma mega anya che warga about jomeland piene ke miero ngomeni ni
it's okay kiete dong lock ini ya gekene ge confirm ti lagada itamin gena ngo backfire ngo ma bu
ampe pa mirni kali lagada chi ge gwa ben memo amba mirni kali lagada oti lagada
ti lagada no be
No, kati loga, no pe bad or kati loga da. Yes, there are other steps that can easily be taken. There are penalties make it work in place. Anyo ke twar wa ini ke jogo ginonyo because ke twar wa ini wa jogo ginonyo kirwa court twar wa ini wano ni ne mer charge gin mape megi. Of course, it's like fraud.
Ini di ramata mani ka chalong ni yangi Todwong uche warga it's a confirmed paper maro uche board jume land board ni imiate gidwak kaunda ground bet chalong individual land. Do you think even the kalo che record nga bichwalo juni court nga bichwalo Todwong nyu nga to warga in court
What awoti ni ngomen ni government e lo ngomen ni monyir ni chalo gulu city council
bichwalo Todwong
look in court
the court che gilungo nga to warga
ni what underground. We want court to help us and find how far this process has gone because warga mama nyorni dong teo li lo iching armo dong peba warga for nyorni they in the process monyirni as councillors gitu ar penyo court metich court order to do the findings and find how far this letter has reached. Edo lawyer ma ampa fura be wine party chwa to an party
ka dong lo ko dugula kada chita mi court kala gulu council from chwalo ngar chwa warga en ma chala dit Todwong makuri loko kata ko mo nyeti warga en tama ge chwalo court and then being is a general secretary for government do you think the council may gulu city they will win or he will?
No.
No,
don't think that you are either a president or you are a king and you have written a letter. Gimama tika diudano. You become the suppressor immediately. Keneni itika diudano. Then these people who are oppressed, they will peg up a link. They will take different means of channels. Maybe a clock and a puppet lock. Is a secretary general to a party which is NRM party, not a secretary general to the government. It's a secretary party. It actually is an SG to a party which is NRM, and I know NRM is in power, but it's not the secretary general to each and every institution and represent every institution.
I know,
but angini kangarangi chiek. But when he called Tamanati Magin da one to record, let the court do the finding.
Okay. So now could look in gang no get kuja. Magucho mi warga ma paging yoping. You know what? That's why the reason why he was supporting a independent candidate. He was supporting the new elected mayor. We have flag bearer. PNRM Montalo Honorable Kwan Alfred.
We don't win a open sign in Jimmy Wing.
Not like in Garowa. Come
No, when you beko bien equally with you. Funny, I would say when you forget marmen no. In you take a married to Alba, what you know a married to Alba, Timony, well, porry, tap, channel can you walk mirror. Take a well get you piano take a miru, and I win my business partner, I win a and win any business partner. Let it not be business partner in the government. Actually, I don't know how I should even put it. Jempaluak. Pobet government, Jempaluak, again, business partner, Jempaluak, seeing in Jempaluak, disappearing, when you're going to char, dog coolman, you fat. When you go to char, when you need in only Carvarga, Gunya is like a supervisor to these councillors and you go. Go to make a mono, in fact, the book of La Baja. And your book of the late near the mobile which you may attack.
Okay. Well, for but that's totally better now video. I look at the charity mono YouTube channel, my mego and the mono dark spot politic. You know, I can know Jimmy Wing. And what time you were cut at a piano leaking online. I know the dirt commando and a tamani and old no gimoy come lock. And but what we call Kawarga any to confirm me, la dirt General Secretary and Ocho, Chiwan will be dugu. What we discussing, but poll. Share online, share liking, it in comments, make a mege, or for a matter of in your